Welcome to the driveway, dudes, my dudes.
Today I'm going to show you how to change the window wipers on the Hyundai Tucson. To remove the window wipers, first you have to remove the clip on the back of the wiper. It's a little bit awkward if it's been on for a long time. You might have to come at it from a different angle, and then it's just a case of sliding it down and then lift it up through the wiper clip. As a way to give a little bit more information about these, I'm going to throw a tape measure across them to find out what length they are. What I can do as well, for convenience sake, I can source them online, and I will leave a link in the description below. But as always, this is for demonstration purposes only, so make sure you check with your local motor factors or dealership to find out exactly what wiper blades go with your model of Hyundai Tucson. We can see that the shorter wiper blade is approximately 400mm or 15 3/4 inches, and the longer wiper blade is 655mm or 25 3/4 inches. Refitting is just the reverse of the removal. First you pass the window wiper arm through the clip on the window wiper blade, and then you slide the window wiper blade up behind the hook part of the window wiper arm. Once that's fully slid up, it won't go any further, and it's just a case of closing down the clip. For convenience, I have just added this from a different angle. It just shows the removal and refitting of the wiper blade. Special thanks to my 6-year-old for helping me film this clip. Well, thanks dudes. I hope you found this useful. If you have found it useful, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share with your friends if they have Tucson. And as always, have a great day.